Salads to lose weight. Salads are good for weight loss and are an effective method for being healthy too. Carbohydrates, which are fibrous like lettuce and broccoli, are so filling and do not have much calories in them. These veggies are so hugely different than starchy carbohydrates. Starchy carbohydrates like rice, potatoes, breads and rice are much high in calories. Salads are low calories and yet filling food and are hence considered as the perfect diet food for us so long as you do not top them with heavy dressings like mayonnaise and put virgin olive oil instead. Eating salads is the quickest way to lose weight. This fact is universally known. When we eat different kinds of salads, we are not consuming any fats and at the same time getting a boost of important nutrients too. But you may get bored by eating salads every day, but there is no reason for you to worry at all. There are so many varieties of salads that you can make for yourself to eat, which will be tasty and you can lose weight too. You can make green salads, vegetable salads, fruit salads and many other kinds of different salads to select from these days. Fruit salads for weight loss. Fruits and vegetables have high water content when they are eaten raw. For those on a diet, water is their natural ally. This extra water content in fruits and vegetables fills your stomach and also quickens the process of metabolism. Fruits and vegetables have loads of important nutrients like vitamin A, B, C, K and some minerals. These important nutrients are needed to keep our body healthy when we are dieting. Having salads will ensure that we do not suffer because of malnutrition while we are dieting. Tasty juicy fresh fruit salad. This salad contains some orange segments, some pineapple pieces, some seedless grapes, and 2 slices of melons which are peeled and cubed. All these ingredients can be gently mixed and kept in the refrigerator until it is ready to be served. Tangy fresh fruit mixed salad. In this salad, you can mix a can of orange segments including their natural juice, 1 can of pineapple pieces including its natural juice, some seedless grapes and 2 sliced melons which are peeled and cubed. All these ingredients can be kept in a serving bowl and gently mixed and kept in the refrigerator and then served after chilling it. Simple vegetable salad. In this salad, we can mix some shredded cabbage, some lettuce leaves, 1 cucumber or zucchini, some iceberg lettuce and some bell peppers of different colors. All the vegetables including the cabbage can be cut finely. Put them in a bowl and dress the salad with some extra virgin olive oil. Add some lemon juice and salt and pepper to taste. Keep in the refrigerator until ready to be served. Mixed vegetable salad. In this salad, you can mix shredded lettuce, some sliced and colored capsicums, sliced baby corns, some baby corns, bean sprouts and baby carrots. Mix all these ingredients in a big bowl, add the lemon juice and olive oil dressing and toss well. You can also add some black pepper, dried oregano and salt to taste. You can either serve immediately or chill the salad and then serve it later. Tips to make salads to lose weight fast. Some salads make you put on more weight instead of losing it, such as salads which you buy in some fast food joints or restaurants because they overload it with high-calorie ingredients. But if we avoid these high-calorie ingredients in our salads, they make us feel hungry later. There is nothing to worry however, but just follow these tips and tricks to lose weight fast. Use an oil-based salad dressing. Our body cannot absorb all the specific vitamins which are fat-soluble without the presence of fat in them, so people who ate salads dressed in olive oils had more of carotenoids in their blood which can help melt the belly fat and at the same time make you feel full. It is a better idea to toss the oils with some vinegar, which is a proven releaser of fats that can help prevent blood sugar spikes after their meals. Mix up your greens. All types of green vegetables like spinach, lettuce etc. have their own nutrients and healthy benefits. Also try adding some herbs like parsley and basil which have loads of disease-fighting antioxidants in them. Hence, if your salads are full of flavor, the fewer high-calorie ingredients you will need to add for making it tastier. Say yes to cheese. When you sprinkle your salads with cheese that is low in fats, it helps people to burn fat easily and also maintain their weight and feel less hungry. This is because cheese is packed with calcium that helps to release all the fats. Therefore, try using some shredded cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese. Lean on protein. It is best to choose salmon or grilled chicken or tofu or nuts or seeds in your salads. This way you will be releasing fat and at the same time feel fuller. Eat more veggies and fruits in your salads. It is best to fill your salad plate with lots of colorful veggies and fruits which contain loads of minerals and vitamins having synergistic effects. This means that when they are combined together in the salad, they have a more powerful effect when they are eaten in a combination. Go ahead and mix together lots of colored peppers, peas, broccoli, carrots, cucumbers, raspberries, strawberries or even pears to make a great salad which is filling, healthy and tasty too. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more video, also like and share.